Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, July the 15th, 2022. We have two puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. Binary number, let me see, which number? 4858, yeah. 4858, yeah. The previous puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku, wow, it's really a 4 stars. You need to think and try and error. Anyway, let me continue. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, and there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Then between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. We have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can mean 1, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then. Think. Do we need to compare? Well. Let me see. Come on. It's taking too long. But we can compare this column and that column. Empty box 11000011, empty box 0011. So we need to switch these 2 digits. With O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Then. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have here 3 1s in a row, in this row. Second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Then compare again. Yeah, this column and the last column. Empty box 00110011, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, need to compare again. Don't believe this for the third time. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4, no, not 4 O's, 3 O's. Okay, need to compare, I think. Well, 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? No. Well. This color, this row, and that row, yeah. 11000 1111100 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Yes, double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finished in 5 minutes. Wow, a lot of comparing, a lot of thinking, but we solve it again. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.